Mga kasangsang, this is our lunch today. We have okra, hipon, fried fish, and watermelon. Yeah, this is our lunch today. Thank you for the sponsor. Ayan, let's go guys. Goodness. Wow. Perfect. Let's go. Wow, hipon. Magkakamay tayo guys. Hipon. Tsaka may isda pa, grabe. Perfect ang isda. Let's go.
Wow.
So guys, kain na guys, oh. Reels is life. Eating mas lifer. So guys, kain na guys.
Binasagot ko brother earlier. Hindi siya kumabahay.
Buti nag-ano ka, hindi ko nabasa kasi busy eh. Nung nag-ano ka, miss call, ano na, matatapos.